Hey, what's up guys? Hey, just a short video to talk about drawing table like this. Do you really need one or not? So the short answer is no, but it is recommended. Now for those of you who don't have the money or simply don't have the space for a drawing table like this, you can get a drawing clipboard like this and it works perfectly fine. Okay, you can draw something very decent with this. But if you are serious about your drawing, if you want to be more professional, then it is recommended to get a drawing table like this. It is just so much better than a drawing clipboard. It is a lot more stable. It doesn't move around much. It is a lot bigger, so you have more room, a lot more room to work with. You can draw much bigger size drawing, and you can put all the tools, pencil, eraser, all kind of stuff right here, and you can easily grab them. So overall, much better than a drawing clipboard. But this works fine, okay? If you really don't have the space, if you don't have the money, this works just fine. But it is recommended to get a drawing table like this eventually. One thing I do not recommend is drawing on an ordinary flat table, okay? The reason is, okay, let's say you're drawing on a flat table like this, right? Your eyes are looking at your drawing this way, okay? Your eyes are looking at the drawing at this angle. And once you hang your drawing up on the wall, okay, your drawing is gonna look different because the different angle. That's why a lot of people, they've been drawing on a flat table, okay, like this, flat. And once they hang up their drawing on the wall, they'll be like, wait a minute, how come my drawing doesn't look right? I swear to God, it wasn't like this when I was working on it. Well, that's because the different angle, okay? The angle is different. So when you're working on this, okay, or a drawing table, make sure you are looking at your drawing directly up front, okay? So that's all I have for you guys today. Yeah, short video. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.